ban shupen kan mau haka khat pra tarik jemang menta kasnam hajar pusan kipat ba nong shong shnong na kishnong pa pher jong kathan ke badon marjan bat kashnong lum shnong East Jante Hills District kilami pat ba banishim banta haka bathang pathar yaki arpo nyau tili ki Trok jong ka company Star Cement Limited haka ba khan riu tili kila kham julor bon kani ka jingja kalaja haka kut jong ka company penmi dau bilat jong ka Star Cement Limited hadian ba uwei usamla ulayap na ka jingsha yu haka we ka Trok jong ka NEHU ka company haka batang khandiat por ka Khubor jong ka ni ka jingja kala Sapriang stat bat ki pat ba kila 1 poisha ka ni ka jaka ban penjulor ya ki jingdon jingem jong ka ni ka company hadin ka ni ka jingja ki bor penyat distrik karilum jantia mingi kumna kaliang ki pulit ka ni ka distrik kila shimkhia ban penlong ya ka jing tokit kebala lam ksairu ba ka ni ka jingja kala ru bande ka jingdon kti kinong di drok namar ka ni ka thai menta ka de ka basha khta ba na ka jingken rei kinong di drok.
So when the incident of that accident occurred, so then suddenly a mob of few hundred people gathered the Star Cement premises. So then basically we didn't want the issue to flare up much. So but if we have registered the case and investigation is going on, I cannot comment on what is the cause of this case exactly presently. And this angle of drug addicts also only when we catch the people who are involved in it, then only we'll be able to confirm whether drug addicts or not. Doing the CCTV cameras and all. So we are in the process of taking action on them, but we need some more time for that. So according to the Star Cement incident also is unfortunate, but however we ensure that the relation between the village and the companies remain intact because it is always a give and take. Because the Lumshnong people also have always supported the company, but however we don't want to ensure that the harmony prevails. That is our priority in the present situation.
Kani ka jingja ka khat pra tarik jemang kala ja tang hapdeng we Nongñiah Trok jong ka company Star Cement bad ubala klat na ka jingsha yu ha ka Trok henry ki pat ba klem da persang ban wat ya ka dau tenrai kila penlong sok pedung bet ya ka company baro ka we kabadang pensir hadu menta ya kinong trei jong ka ni ka company wala ki de ki khenriam ne ki penar ki de ki Nongñiah Trok henry na kaliang jong USP ka tenat pulit karilom jantia mingi ula ai ka jing Kular bakin ai ka Jingïada bat kim dei ban sir namar ka an ka don banyada yaki
Security of all the thing because already I had a meeting with the village Lumshnong also, and we are sure that there is no fear factor at all. So this kind of incidences sometimes when it occurs, so there is always a fear psychosis. But from our district police side, we assure you that the cement trucks can ply freely. And there is no requirement of having fear. Yeah. And the situation is normal since already we had a meeting with the village.